Yom Kippur literally means the Day of Atonement. And the word atonement comes from at-one-ment, which suggests that we are working on creating a more whole self, a better, more complete self. It's 10 days from Rosh Hashanah, so if on Rosh Hashanah we're thinking about our lives and how we're living, we spend the next 10 days in what we call Teshuvah, which literally means return. And with Teshuvah, we're returning to our true self. We're returning to our relationships in a more holistic way, both with other people and with God. So it's a day of atonement, but it's also a day of mechila and slicha, which means forgiveness. So we're going to people and asking forgiveness for things that we may have done wrong. We're asking God for forgiveness. And we ourselves are opening our hearts to forgive others so that we may live, again, a more whole life. It's on this day, though, as well, that we think about the broadness of life. We think about life's possibilities and how it is that we may be able to change, how it is that we live for the better. We think about what it is that we've done in our life that we want to adjust, maybe things that we've done wrong or missteps that we've taken that we want to be able to rectify. This is the day to do it. We spend this time. We don't eat, we don't drink, we don't engage in pleasures in order to be able to focus on how it is that I want to make my life better and rectify things that I have done wrong that I don't wish to continue to do. We speak to God about those things. We speak to others about those things. And we speak to ourselves about those things. There's a benefit even of speaking out for our own ears to hear what it is that we have done wrong that we wish to rectify. We call that vidui, and we do that on Yom Kippur, so that we can bring our mind into a place in which we are focused on living our best lives and rectifying ourselves so that we can achieve better futures.